In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your ElevenLabs subscription quickly and easily. If you're using ElevenLabs for voice generation, text-to-speech, or any kind of audio workflow, upgrading your plan can unlock more usage, better features, and the extra flexibility you need as your projects grow. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the corner of the screen. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu, select Subscription. This is where you can view your current plan and see the available upgrade options. On the subscription page, take a moment to review the different plans so you can choose the one that fits your needs. You'll usually see the features, limits, and pricing listed clearly, which makes it easier to compare before you make a decision. Now, if you want to upgrade, click Upgrade or select the higher tier plan directly below the plan you need. Make sure you check the pricing details before moving forward so you know exactly what you're paying for. Once you've chosen the right plan, continue to the checkout or payment step. Enter your payment information carefully and complete the purchase. After the payment goes through, your ElevenLabs upgrade takes effect immediately so you can start using the new plan right away without waiting. That means any higher limits or added features should be available almost instantly. If you want to double-check everything, you can return to the subscription page and confirm that your new plan is active. It's always a good idea to review your account settings after upgrading, just to make sure everything looks correct. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully upgraded your ElevenLabs subscription in just a few simple clicks. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.